something that I like to do because I'm from Kentucky is I like to do a mint julep whoopie pie.
Well, who doesn't?
Well, you know, and this is easy to do because we use a box cake mix. Always add like an extra egg, a little bit of vanilla, and it makes it much better. So in here we have our box cake mix, and we have
2 eggs.
2 eggs. We're gonna do
a little shot of vanilla.
A little shot of vanilla.
Oh, yeah,
a little something, something. And then we're gonna add a little bit of water.
Uh-huh.
A little bit of oil. Earl. The best part is the bourbon. Now,
that shot of bourbon.
That's it here.
That shot of bourbon.
Oh,
you can drink from the bottle. You can drink from the bottle. But if you want more bourbon, instead of adding the water, you just add all bourbon. So instead of oatmeal, I use graham cracker.
That's very clever.
That looks perfect. So then you're just gonna take
a scoopy-doop.
A scoopy-doop.
A scoopy-doop.
And make sure that it's just a round scoop. And the trick here is go up the side of the bowl, and then it gives you a flat. It gives you a flat scoop, and that way that you get
and they're all even.
So
and they're all even.
That's the trick.
Yeah, that's the trick. So then you fill up the whole pan, and once you get the pan full, you bake them off, and they come out looking like this.
No,
so
that's
then
not too high of a temperature.
No,
right?
no, it's 350, so it's not very high. Yes. This is a mint icing. So, and then you put a little bourbon in it as well, and you just fill one side. Yeah, pop them out there.
Watch out, she's dangerous with
That's
one of
okay.
those pastry bags.
So then once you get it on there and get it all full on one side, then you mash it, and you want to make sure that you mash it till it oozes
comes out the edges.
side.
Yes.
Look at that. Ooh, honey, that's right.
Yes.
Ooh, it's good. It's so good.
Yes. Can I just add them on to here?
Just add them on here.
Yeah. Make some room for your little friends.
Yeah. And then we're just going to dress them up with mint and then just a little bit of powdered sugar on top.
And make it snow.
Make it snow up in there.